In this video, I'm going to show you how to inspect elements on iPhone. So in order to do so, we'll use an app called Shortcuts. So you can go and look for it. Of course, if you install it by any chance, you can just go to App Store and install it again. So now go to the top right and click on the plus button. And in here is example, what you'll have to do is simply go. So in here, we can just go and look for share as example. And from here, so just go and click on share. And here is example. So in here, you'll have to go and click on inputs as an example. Once you do so, go and click on shortcut inputs. And in here, you should find here images and 18 more inputs from example nowhere. If there's no inputs, continue. And it's for you, it might be a little bit different in example numbers. So just go and click on that. And in here, in example, you'll have to go and clear, and you'll have to scroll down until you find this web and make sure to enable the Safari web pages and click on done in the top right. And in here, in example, from nowhere, you'll have to go and type that. And in here, in example, you'll have to go and show and share sheet and click on done. And what you can do now is simply go and delete this share shortcut inputs. For example, click on the X button. And in here, as example, you can go and look for Java, and you can go and click on this option. So as example for me, I have the scripts is disabled, so I'll just go and open settings and simply just go and allow running scripts. And I'm going to come back where I was, and here we are. Now as example, you can just go and delete all of the stuff that's here. So let me just go and select everything. Okay, I cannot select everything. Okay, now I can. Let me just go here and choose like this. Okay, select everything and go and delete it. So what we'll have to do next is simply type a few like sentence. It's going to be very fast. So you'll have to go and type documents. Of course, after that, point, body. We don't need the space, so we'll have to type it by our own. Body, dot, content. And after that, of course, big E, so editable. So click on space and equal, or maybe no need for space. Let me just go, okay, we need the space. So I'll just go here and do space. After that, another space. And we can just go and do true. So do two of those. Inside, you'll have to go and type true. Okay, let me just go and type true before, so you can close this in. Now you'll have to go and do this. After that, you can go and click on return, then type documents dot design mode, and then of course a space equal, and we'll have to go and do on. So yeah, just two spaces example here, and you'll have to add one single word, which is completion. So open and close it, then add this, and you should be done. So then you can click on done at the bottom right as example, then click on done at the top right, and you should be done. And now as example we go. So let's just open Safari and go to a web page. And as example in here, so as an example here, I'm just going to open a random web page. I don't know, let me just go and type here, whatever. Yeah, go to this example, or let me, okay, already went to this before. Let me just go and went to this. And here's example, I'll have to click the share button at the bottom. Once I click on it, I'll have to scroll down until I find this run JavaScript web page. Go and click on it. And if it's your first time, you'll find an allow or cancel. Make sure to click on allow. And now here you go. You'll be able to inspect elements and edit whatever you want on a web page. For example, this is a web page, and I can just go and add whatever I want on it, as you can see. And yeah, here we are. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.